If you're looking for a Crockpot candy, then you're going to want to keep watching this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I have a recipe that I found over on Sugar and Soul, and I'm going to link this recipe in the description box for you. It is a Crockpot candy and it sounds absolutely delicious. It's not a lot of ingredients. It's a quick and easy one, and I thought I'd go ahead and make it and share it with you. So let me go ahead, go over all the ingredients, and then we'll get started. All right, my friends, so I have 32 ounces of white almond bark cubed. I have 4 ounces of 60% chocolate, and I will cut that up and cube it. I have 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I accidentally bought the minis, but you can use the regulars. I have some sea salt, kosher salt, and I have some peanuts. I have 32 ounces of unsalted dry roasted peanuts, and then I just had a little bit of leftover holiday sprinkles for Halloween, and I thought, why not sprinkle it on top and turn it into a little Halloween fun. All right, my friends, so the first thing we're going to do is put our peanuts in. So we have 32 ounces of peanuts, unsalted peanuts, and then we're going to go ahead and put our almond bark in. And I did just cube that up, and I had a little bit more. I put 2 bowls. I had 2 different brands here, unfortunately, because my one store was out, so I had to buy a different brand. So we're just going to spread that out. We're not going to mix this. We're going to be layering it right now, just like that. Okay, then we're going to take our chocolate, and this is that 60%. I'm going to give you a close-up of that. This is the one that I purchased so you guys can see it. Okay, and then we're just cubing that and laying it on top. Oops, I didn't break that very even, did I? Okay, and then I'm taking my 32 ounces of, or not 32 ounces, 12 ounces of chocolate chips. And like I said, I accidentally bought mini and didn't even realize I'd done that. That was just an accident, friends. And then we're going to add a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Not the sea salt, we're doing the kosher salt. That is it. Let's go ahead and put the lid on and start the crock pot. All right, my friends, we are going to put this on low, and we're going to put it on for only 1 hour. Okay, and then we're going to come back and stir it in an hour. All right, my friends, it's been an hour now, so we're going to take the lid off and give it a quick stir. It smells delicious. Oh, look at that. All right, we're going to mix this up really well. Ugh. Smells delicious. I think I'm going to take this into work because hubby and I are not going to be able to eat it. I'll take a little bite just to do our normal taste test, but I'm not going to be able to keep this in the house for sure because I don't want to tempt myself. Oh my goodness. Alrighty, let's get this smoothed down a little. Alright, now we're just going to go ahead and put the lid back on. And we're going to let it go for about 45 minutes, and then we'll start scooping it out and putting it on the wax paper. Alright, my friends. Let's do this another stir. It's been 45 minutes. Oh, that really made a difference at 45 minutes. Great. Now I just need to give it a really, really good stir and get this mixed really, really well. And then we're going to put it out on our paper. Need a little strength in your hands to do this. Alrighty, I'm going to keep stirring so you don't have to watch me, and then we'll come out. I'll put it down my paper and we'll go ahead and put this out. Alright, my friends, so I have my parchment paper out, have my spoon here, sea salt, and I have a little bit of leftover Halloween sprinkles I'm going to put on here. So we're going to just scoop out some of my spoon just like that, and we're just plopping them right down. And I still have it plugged in. And after I do a few, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle them. And you can make them as big or as small as you want. Well, you don't want it too huge, obviously. Oops. Let's get that over to there. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take a little bit of my sea salt, sprinkle on top. A little bit of my Halloween sprinkles, just to give it a little Halloween fun. Or fall, whatever you want to do. You can use your imagination. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of this out. Alright, my friends, so here they are. I have all of these, and then my empty crock pot, and then I have these here. Give you a close-up of them. And that's what they look like, and we're just going to go ahead and let these set up, and then we'll do our taste test. Alright, my friends, it is about an hour and a half later after I scooped them out. Hubby and I went for a quick walk after dinner, and then here they are. Look at that. Look up close. They smell absolutely delicious. Now let's do a true taste test. Let me just get the smallest one I can find. Let's try this one. Ready? Mmm. Mmm. That salt on top. Oh. Mmm. Oh my goodness. Delicious. Ah, that's all I can eat, no more. I'm gonna wrap these up and put them in the fridge so they don't melt. It's a little warm here today. So friends, I'm gonna link this recipe in the description box for you. It is absolutely delicious. It was very simple and easy to do. Obviously, it's not, I feel like I had chocolate all over my face. Obviously, it's not a drop and go dish. You will need to be around for it, but if you need a quick something to throw together, this is it. This is it. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. Also, please check me out over on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.